sorry that Shanique didn't come, you know. Amazing. Kind of scary, but hey. So today I'll go and do some parasailing.
Oh, you got me calling him real so. Got me calling him real so. I'm alone.
Yeah. My vacation. Oh, yes, please. Enjoy, okay? Come on. It's my time now to go up. Yeah, man. My time to go up. Bye bye. My time to go up. Bye. My time to go up. What's up, you guys? Hey. How about? Oi, so it's amazing. It's amazing. I'm sorry that Shanique didn't come, you know. I wanted her to be here so much. The beautiful island of Jamaica. Wow. Enjoying myself on the parasail. It's beautiful. It's really falling. Oh, breezes. I'm actually scared of heights, but I'm up here. So the wife got to try some different stuff. It's kind of scary, but hey, you gotta enjoy life, you know? Yeah. Enjoy life. was so amazing, folks. Jamaica is so beautiful from up here. Oh boy, it's beautiful. All by myself. All by myself. They're reeling me in now. I'm going back to the boat. It's amazing. Wow. Taking me down in the water now for a little bit. Dip my feet and then back up in the air. Amazing. It's nice, see that? Wonderful. Shalik is missing it all. Amazing. That was so wonderful.
Great experience, right?
Yes,
Was that
please.
your first time too?
Yes, please.
A lot of first time.
Another set to go up.
I got it. Roll onto the rail. Right.
You don't have to hold on tight to it. You can use
Yeah.
one finger.
Okay.
Just feel comfortable. Alright?
So yes, it was an
Alright, so,
amazing experience.
first thing first, I want to get this boat really light. So I'm going to ask which resort you guys going to.
Sandals.
Sandals,
Azul.
Azul,
The Grill Palms.
Grill Palms.
We got things up.
Amazing. I'll definitely come again. Sorry that Shani didn't make it, but
A little further down.
she's afraid of
Fireman
heights, so
Lobster
she's
Grill
scared.
is where they got picked up at.
Raised water. So, why I ask, I just
I'll
wanted to know
definitely do a
which
trip.
resort is the